Ba-da, 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 ba, 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 ba-da. Ba-da, 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 ba, ba-da, ba, ba, ba-da, ba, ba, ba. Today is dumpster day here at the Rehab, and we have a ton of stuff, not to mention flooring that still has to come up, all the flooring from the other apartments. It's a lot of stuff. I'm anxious, I'm a little nervous because this driveway, it's hard to tell in the picture, but it's like a ski slope. It's also been raining, so I'm just not sure. I'm really hoping that my dumpster guy can get up this driveway. We shall see. The Mold Ranger is not with us just yet. He should be here later. His boy Pronto not going to make it today. So it'll just be the Fresh and the Mold Ranger. It's about 35 degrees, high of 37. It's cold. All right, here he comes. Hello, my brother. How you doing?
Doing great, bro. Good to see you.
Good to see you. How are you?
I'm doing great. How about you?
I'm doing all right.
Okay,
You're better looking than your brother.
Thank you, sir.
You knew that. You probably get that all the time.
Yeah. So where would you like this thing pulled to?
Just to the other side of that blue truck.
Okay.
Well, that sounds promising. As it turns out, it's more like a dump trailer than it is a dumpster. Whatever it takes, that's what will work. Perfect. Keep on going. That's got it great right there. Whatever's good for you. Well, my heart is happy. I don't know that a real dumpster, like an actual dumpster, would have made it up that drive. But this is just what the good Lord ordered. And I'm very, very happy. So the Mold Ranger is on his way. He should be here soon. We'll begin tossing items in the dumpster. All right, we are done. Before I show you this, I want to sing a song. Me, 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 me. A-E-I-O-U. Okay, here we go. Want, 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 want. Wah 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 wah. What a bum up on a bum bum bum. Down 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 down. What a bum 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 bum. Here's what we've got. Let's go into the apartment over here. Meander our way through Gilligan's Island. This should be fun. So all of this was completely to the brim. I mean, it was brimming with disgust. We have our shower guy coming next Thursday to do at least one shower. He's going to be, what do you call that? Resurfacing, epoxying it, whatever. Got all the cabinetry out, and you saw how full that was, and we still have all the cabinets and appliances to go. And this is just one side. We just have the cabinets and all the flooring on the other side, plus all the flooring for this in the kitchen here, plus this chair rail molding and whatnot. All of that's got to go. Ultimately, all the windows will be replaced, plus all the doors. Yeah, so full makeover.
To a guy coming tomorrow to assess the project.
What's he assessing?
The project.
Oh. So, that's where we're at with it. Really appreciate you watching. If you want to help, get with me. I can give you the address, Bristol, Virginia. All right, Mike, The Fresh Rents with Danny,
The Mold Ranger.
We're out. Ba-da, ba-da. Ba-da, 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 ba, 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 ba-da. Ba-da, 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 ba, ba-da, ba, ba, ba-da, ba, ba, ba. Ba-da, ba, 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 ba.